YouTube family? We back. BOK gang, what's going on? BOK family. Yo. We back with another one. Yo, look. This shoe right here. As y'all seen by the thumbnail, that's why I clicked on this. This shoe right here has to be one of the top Air Jordan lows they dropped this year. You got the, I'm trying to think of the colors here. You got the black, white, and pink ones, which are dope. I did not get those, but they will be coming to the collection soon. You have the, it's a couple different color ones you had. And I'm just trying to, you know, add to the ambiance of my Jordan collection. Jordan 1 low collection, because I cannot do the highs for some reason. I'm just not a high fan. I don't know what's going on. But the reason I say that is why I'm just trying to turn it up just a notch. It's next year, 2023. The lineup for Jordans is going to be crazy. They got some crazy colors coming out, and if they stick true to what they saying and what we seeing in these mock-ups, it's going to be some of the craziest colors and shoes coming out next year. I put a clip right here. Bam. Clip of these shoes. So next year, 2023, is going to be crazy out here. So what I'm doing is downsizing, only getting the stuff that I want and the stuff that's different to show y'all. Like I've displayed some stuff that I haven't seen on nobody else's channels. And not to say I'm the only one to get it, but I just feel some shoes deserve to be shown and some don't. So with that being said, we just gonna show these shoes and we gonna get to it like y'all clicked on this thumbnail so y'all can see what's going on. I don't want to bore y'all. I don't want to look. I ain't here for a long time, but I'm definitely here for a good time. So let's have this good time. You feel me? You feel me? So Jordan 1 low craft. Jordan 1 low SC craft. I've seen an Ashen Slate. This is it's a dope shoe. It's a dope shoe. But let's get into it. Enough with the boring, enough with the talking, enough with all that BS and popping what's going on. But let's get into the shoe. 1, 2, and hey, make sure y'all subscribe, hit that like button, leave a comment. Hey, it goes a long ways, and I want to say thank y'all for y'all support lately. Y'all have really been supporting the channel, running the numbers up, and I just want to say thank you. To those ain't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, man. We got more to come. We trying to make, well, November be one of our biggest months. So let's do that. Let's keep it going. Hey, it's been my most consistent, and I'm trying to really stay consistent for y'all. So let's get into this shoe. Let's keep it going. Bam, bam, bam. Here we go. Now, this shoe dropped in two other colors. You had the off-white of this with some orange hits, and it was another one. If I can pull a picture up, I'll pull it up. I'll pop it up. Bam. Put it up there. But let's get into these. Bam, bam, bam. What I think, I want to say thank you, Virgil, for showing us a different way to construct shoes, because they have took it and they have ran with it. Oh my God, they have took it and ran with it. As you can see, this is a Virgil. This is a Virgil. Shout out, rest in peace, Virgil. This is a Virgil. This is all, it's all written through him. All says it. So on this top here, you got a different type of I don't want to say leather, but it's not, but it's definitely plastic. Some different type here, as you see right there, some different type. You got some suede hits in there, you got some leather hits in there, and that's when I say that's reflective, that got a little reflective to it, and that's great. You got the patent leather on the top here, which is hands down, I swear this is a dope shoe. Hands down, this is a dope shoe. You got the top chopped off around that boy, around the tongue, around the top of the back here. The top chopped off. Look, Virgil just took it there with these, man. This is not even a vertical shoe. With that gray on the back, with that Jordan on the back. You do get a extra set of laces with these. They look creamish to match the midsole. They might be white. I can't tell. I don't have great lighting in here, so you gotta excuse me for that. On that Nike side, you got those two little, the 2-3, which symbolizes the Jordan 23. Honestly, this probably got to be one of the coldest Jordan lows they dropped this year. I'm putting it up there. I'm definitely putting it up there. Yeah. What y'all think of these, man? What y'all think of them? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. You don't have nothing going on the inside here. Got the Jordan sign in the bottom of there. As y'all can see, yeah, this just is a dope, different shoe, man. If y'all get a chance, I definitely say copy y'all a pair. This is the Nike Jordan Low Craft in Odyssey Blue. Bam, 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 bam. And I'm still going to make sure they make all shoes unisex. Ugh. Oh. Hey, this your boy Blacked Out Kickz coming to you with another video. Hey, do me a favor, stay blessed, be blessed, and always find a way to get your blessings. Yo, we are out.